it's Miss Amelia at the library, and I'm excited to show you our button maker for this week's holiday button magnet. All right, so this is what our button maker looks like. It's got two different sides, an A side and a B side, and a lever that you can pull all the way over to make your design. Now, when you visit the Saluda or the Columbus Library, you're going to get to use this machine to make your button magnet. All right, so I'm going to show you the steps, and then of course when you email us to make an appointment to come and do this yourself, you're going to follow these same steps, and a staff member will be on hand to help you. All right, so I've got several pieces of my button here. I have my image that you should bring to the library from your take and make kit. Now your image, I don't want you to cut it out, just decorate it, and then I'm going to cut it out to the proper size when you bring it to the library. So you've got your image. You're going to use a clear piece of Mylar plastic. Okay, we've got our shell that looks like this is a little curved piece. And we also have our magnet back. All right, so we're going to use these pieces to make our activity this week. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to locate the A side of our machine, and I'm going to put the shell down first. And the shell, it has a rough edge on it, and we want to make sure that that piece goes face down. Our next piece is our image, and you want to make sure that this is lined up as close to center as possible with your design, okay? And your Mylar piece goes on very last, and that's a clear piece that goes on at the very top. You're gonna rotate the machine just a little bit so that you can see side B. And on side B, you're going to put your magnet back on. So it also has two sides to it. One side has like a sharp edge, and then the other side has a smoother edge. We're gonna put our design with the sharper edge facing up, okay? And put it back into place. So now we have our A side with our image and our B side that has the back to it. All right, we're gonna rotate our A side around, and we're gonna use our lever and pull all the way over. Okay, now that we've got our A side done, we're gonna rotate back over so that our B side is underneath our clamp. Okay, and do the same thing. We're gonna pull the lever. Okay, and that side is a little bit more tough to do because you're squishing all of your pieces together. All right, when you finish, you've got your image on the front, and you've got your back that has kind of a concave shape to it. Now this is where you're going to put your magnet. Your magnet back looks like this. Let me grab one so that you can see it. Right? It is a circle magnet, and one side is a magnet and the other part has a sticky adhesive. We're going to use that sticky adhesive and put the sticky side onto our magnet just like that in the center. So now your holiday button magnet is ready to go on your refrigerator or on anything metal that your magnet will stick to. Have fun!